Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to check Amazon Prime Video watch history. So let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to open a Chrome browser or any browser that you're using on your mobile device. You can do that on the laptop or PC as well. So you need to open the Chrome browser. I have it here, Amazon Prime. You need to type in here. You can only do that by accessing the web account of your Amazon Prime. So the next thing you need to do is to press on Amazon Prime. So it will bring you here and you need to sign in to your account. So you need to tap on the profile icon. I'm already signed in. If you're not, then make sure that you're signed in. The next thing you need to do is to tap on account and settings. So once you tap on accounts and settings, it will bring you to this page here where you will find your account, orders, players. You need to just scroll to the right, and here just beside the language you will find watch history. So all you need to do is to tap on watch history, and here you are. You will find all the history that you previously watched, any series or movie on Amazon Prime Video. You can scroll down, there is a date as well. So this option is a good option if you watched any movie and you forget the name. So you can come here to this spot and find that video, that movie or web series again. So guys, this is all it takes to check your watch history on Amazon Prime Video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.